Welcome back, everyone. On the Great Falls Clinic at Ken, we have had increasing clouds throughout the day today, and it was dry for most of today as well. But over the past hour or so, some light snow has been falling in the Electric City. Thanks to the warmer ground, that snow really hasn't accumulated at all yet, but it will eventually accumulate once it does overcome those warmer ground temperatures. On satellite and radar, the bulk of the snow during the day today has been in western Montana, but that snow has been starting to become more widespread within central and north central Montana over the past couple of hours, and seeing a little bit of light snow falling in portions of Cascade, Judith Basin, Fergus, and Choteau counties right now. And the snow will continue to become more widespread as we go through the rest of this evening. And this snow is associated with a disturbance that is currently working its way through Montana. That disturbance will work its way out of Montana as we head into tomorrow, but then there is another disturbance with more moisture impacting the west coast right now, and this will work its way through Montana as we head into tomorrow night and Wednesday. As we go through this evening and early tonight, there are going to be scattered areas of primarily light snow around within central and western Montana. As we head into the second half of tonight, that's when the snow will begin to taper off in western Montana, and eventually it will taper off in the central part of the state as it continues to work its way into eastern Montana. And by sunrise tomorrow, most of us will be done with the snow, but there will continue to be some light snow around tomorrow morning in eastern Montana, as well as along eastern portions of the High Line, especially from Havre to Glasgow. But that light snow will taper off as we go through tomorrow morning. And for a lot of us, it will be mostly cloudy and mostly dry tomorrow, though partly cloudy skies are expected around the Helena area. As we head into tomorrow night, especially the second half of tomorrow night, that's when that next disturbance will be working its way through Montana, with scattered areas of snow around tomorrow night, especially in locations east of I-15. Then there will be scattered areas of rain and snow around throughout the day on Wednesday, especially in eastern portion of north central Montana, along the High Line and in the higher elevations, as well as along the Rocky Mountain front. That's where the bulk of the moisture will fall during the day on Wednesday. We're also going to have partly to mostly cloudy skies during the day on Wednesday. Not expecting much snow accumulation through tomorrow morning. For most of us in the lower elevations, less than an inch of snow accumulation. The mountains may receive up to 3 or 4 inches of snow accumulation. This will still be enough to create slick roads, though, so please be careful if you are traveling anywhere tonight or tomorrow morning. Then we'll add a little bit of additional snow tomorrow in some of the lower elevations, generally a coating or less. But then as we go through tomorrow night and into Wednesday, that's when another coating to an inch or two of snow accumulation is possible, especially along the High Line east of I-15. And again, in the lower elevations, not expecting much snow accumulation as we go through tonight and into tomorrow, but we'll add some additional snow accumulation as we head into tomorrow night and Wednesday, with up to 3 inches of snow accumulation possible in some of the lower elevations. A winter weather advisory is in effect for all of western Montana and some of the higher elevations within central and southwestern Montana through 9 a.m. on Tuesday. Up to 6 inches of snow accumulation is possible in the mountains, with up to 3 inches of snow accumulation possible in the lower elevations. Little to no wind tonight and tomorrow, but the wind will increase as we head into tomorrow night. Then it will be very windy on Wednesday in central Montana, as well as in western portion of north central Montana. Widespread wind gusts over 60 miles per hour are possible, which means wind damage is possible. And those stronger winds will work their way eastward through north central Montana as we head into the afternoon and the evening. Then the wind will diminish as we head into Wednesday night. There is a high wind watch in effect for the Rocky Mountain front out to I-15, as well as the Great Falls, Stanford, and Lewistown areas, beginning Wednesday morning and continuing through early Thursday morning. This is where we have the best chance to see wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. Teens and 20s for your lows tonight, and then a cold day tomorrow, with highs topping out in the teens and 20s.